adventure buddies! Welcome back to this week's video where we're going to be doing our holiday pandemic version of Cooking with G-Muffin. In this week's episode, we're going to combine my two favorite things, cookies and cakes. A cookie cake! So without further ado, cue the intro. So in this recipe, you're gonna need 1 package of cookie mix, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 egg, 1 cooking pan. See, ours is in the shape of a gingerbread man. And of course, you need all types of sprinkles to decorate. First, we need to preheat the oven to 375. That's right there. First, we're gonna mix up the cookie batter, eggs, and butter. Now make sure you spray the pan. Now you put your cookie mix into the pan. Next, make sure you spread it out. Now let's try something real crazy here. Let's see what happens when we put the sprinkles in the cake before we put it in the oven. Check out my cool Christmas sprinkle box. Now it's time to put them in. Now let's put the cake in the oven. It's ready! Now let's pull it out of the oven. Look at those sprinkles, they melted in. Oh, it smells so good. Now let's let it cool down before we start decorating it. Now that it's cooled off, we're gonna flip it over to decorate. Yay! Now let's ice the cake. Now it's time to decorate with sprinkles. I'm gonna put these, as you can see, these green dots and red dots as the buttons. And who's ready for some cookie cake? I know I am. And guys, thanks for watching another episode of Cooking with G-Muffin. And remember, life's an adventure. Who are you going on with? Well, I'm digging in by myself then. Oh, looks like Jake wants a piece.
Oh, yeah.
And I guess like my mom too. Oh yeah.
Oh, I feel bad.